Welcome to Twist. In this video, we'll show you around your workspace, post your first thread, and onboard your team. Let's get started. This is your team workspace. On the left, channels are where people communicate around a given topic. They help your team stay focused and make it easy to find the conversations they're looking for. For example, you could have a design channel where designers coordinate their work, a weekly updates channel where everybody shares their progress reports, or a travel photos channel to keep up with your teammates' adventures. So how do people communicate inside channels? With threads or threaded conversations, designed to keep discussions on topic and easy to find. Your team can use threads to present ideas, collaborate on plans, collect feedback, make decisions, and share big moments. Let's start a thread in the design channel about an upcoming project. Give your thread a clear title so people know what it's about, and take your time to write out a thoughtful post. You can add bullets, images, and much more to really make your point. Now hit post, and your thread is visible to everyone in the channel. On that note, let's invite your team to Twist. Simply copy the invite link and share it with your teammates by email or chat. Or enter their email addresses and let Twist send them an invitation. When they're ready, people will respond to your thread and start posting their own. They'll also start creating their own channels. Twist will gradually become a central knowledge base where your team can find answers, get brought up to speed, and keep track of key conversations. We hope you enjoy this first step towards a calmer, more organized way of working together.